All right, today we are on Unit 23, Day 1. We are working on word choice. The directions, or the rule is use strong verbs to get your reader's attention. Strong verbs grab your reader's attention because they make your writing more exciting. For example, if I had the sentence, Lulu the pig trotted out to the road and plopped down, or Lulu the pig went out to the road and sat down. Think about which sentence sounds more interesting and exciting. The first one does, because it uses the word trotted instead of went, and the word plopped instead of sat down. So it's more interesting and exciting. Let's look at activity A. The directions say, read the news article, look at the pairs of verbs under the lines. Write the one in each pair that is more attention-getting. The story is called Dog Saves Owner. On March 23rd, 2007, something amazing happened in Calvert, Maryland. Toby, a 2-year-old golden retriever, we have either saw or discovered his owner. Now, if I look at those two verbs, I want the one that's more attention-getting. So I would pick discovered, because discovered shows that he didn't just see his owner choking, that he came across her suddenly. So write discovered on the line. So he discovered his owner either trying or struggling to breathe. The stronger verb there would be struggling. So please write struggling on the line. Now pause the video and complete the rest of the story and then push play to check your answers. All right, let's check your answers. Debbie Parkhurst had a piece of apple lodged in her throat and she was choking. Toby, you should have knocked her to the ground. Then he jumped on her chest until he forced the apple to pop out. Toby rescued his owner. For his efforts, Toby received the Dog of the Year award. Let's look at activity B. It says, when were you born? You're going to write the date to finish the sentence. Then write the date of a classmate's. Well, instead of a classmate's, let's find a parent or a sibling that you can write. But when you're writing the date, you want to make sure to write the commas in the proper places. I'm going to show you an example. For example, if I were to write my birthday, I would say I was born on June 5th, 1985. So the comma goes between the day and the year. Now, if I did Mr. LeBlanc's birthday, I would say he was born on January 20th, 1990. So the comma again goes between the day and the year. Now go ahead and try this with your birthday and then someone in your family.